Hey, welcome back to me and my Maverick. So today, a modification that I've seen a lot of people put on their trucks. This is nothing new, but I thought I'd just put it on here to show you things I'm doing to my particular Maverick. So I'm going to put these adhesive letters on the back. So these are raised letters in black, obviously. And bought them off Amazon like so many other things. So what I thought was sort of interesting and funny was when I got the flyer out, it looked just like the instructions look just like my truck. So it's an all-wheel drive blue Maverick, Velocity blue, and then they put the Maverick on the tailgate. So just thought that was sort of funny. So it has installation instructions, tells you make sure and clean the surface with an alcohol-based cleaner. So what I've done is just use regular rubbing alcohol since it has isopropyl alcohol in it. And just used a cloth to wipe it off. And I've noticed I got a few little fibers here. I did not use a microfiber cloth, but it should still be fine. I'll just sort of brush those pieces off as I get to them. So supposedly, we're going to try to do this in real time because supposedly you peel the paper off the back, stick these on and press them down and they're ready to go. So in real time, let's get started with this and we'll just see how it goes. So we'll just start at the end and we'll move our way down the line. So be very careful not to get my fingers on the adhesive part. And these bought off Amazon, like I said, pretty inexpensive. I think I paid 35 bucks. So yeah, that was pretty effortless right there. So my plan is to get this done, let it set, make sure that it's stuck well, and then wash the truck and then do the ceramic coating on the tailgate. I didn't want to do that before I stuck these on. I was a little afraid that that ceramic coating is sticky or slick enough that these may not have stuck to that. So we'll just line it up, and I tell you, they fit really well. Not a whole lot you have to do there except just sort of pay attention to what you're doing. So I believe the tape is supposed to be 3M. These were just like it says off of Amazon. And let's get that down just a little bit more. There we go. And they just sort of get to, there's enough room there that, you know, they're not going to be exactly perfect. Not quite sure how Ford would do this to make sure that these were perfectly centered, but pretty straightforward and pretty easy. Just to sort of line them up and yeah, just like that. I mean, just sort of rolls into place there when you get started right. So I'll get done and then go over these, push them all into place again. Yeah, very easy. I was afraid those might be a little hard to line up, but they just seem to roll into place. Now, this one will be, the eye will be interesting because, yeah, guess that wasn't as big a deal as I thought it might be. And then we're almost done here. Let's do this like we did the E and try to get this top piece started. And then just pop that in. I did read in a few of the comments. I found some other letters that were a little bit cheaper, but people complained that the tape sort of stuck up off of the sides and was catching dirt and other things, you know, as the truck got dirty. So this product had a little bit better rating. I could see just a tiny bit of tape right there that stuck up. There's a tiny bit on the R. Honestly, I don't see any on any of the other letters. So it seems to be a pretty good product. There we go. Got that just a little high, and it popped back down into place as soon as I So they did that. Seen a few videos where people had like put distilled water on it to sort of give you a chance to position them. Obviously I did not do that. And with this particular set of letters, I don't think you need to do that, because this just really just, like you saw even there, I was a little bit high, and all I did was push it down and it just popped right into place. So yeah, looks good. Yeah, it looks really good. So not anything that was needed, you know, for the truck per se, but thought it would be a neat add-on and add a little bit of character to the back end of the truck. Still have to take off the sticker from the dealership here where I bought it. They used to just put license plate holders on, which I wish they still did, but now they're putting the vinyl lettering on, so I'll have to get that off of there before I put the ceramic coat on. So yeah, that's it. I'll put the information in the description so you can take a look at those if you want to. Like I said, this is all just for fun, entertainment, and you know, something if you want to do, your prerogative to do it or not to do it. So stay tuned for more me and my Maverick videos, and thanks for watching.